First thing, you guys have to understand that this prop firm doesn't have any standard rules or standard regularities and authorities till now. If you look at the broker industry, they have their own regularities and own authorities. But in case of prop firm industry, till now, there is no such authorities or regularities. So in such case, when a prop firm, when a company becomes very big, like in case of my Forex fund, they have collected over $300 million just as a fee from the retail traders. So it's a very big amount. In such case, it will obviously come under the view of authorities. Namaskar to all traders and welcome. So today in this video, I'll be letting you know about the recent activity that happened with my Forex fund. Actually, I should have posted this video long back. However, I was traveling and wasn't having enough information and time to make a video on this. However, now I'm back, and the things that I'm going to discuss is very important, and the recent activity that happened, it have shaken the entire prop firm industry. Before moving ahead, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then kindly consider subscribing the channel and like this video, and do let me know in the comment section which prop firm you want in our next video. Okay, so if you go in their website, my Forex Fund website, and look at the notice that they have given, is that yesterday we learned, I don't know when yesterday, without any prior notice. Of course, it should be prior notice. If they are coming with the notice, then like, of course, if they are giving the prior notice, then you will try to hide whatever you have. So without any prior notice, they have this provincial securities of Canada and USA, they are preventing them to accessing the funds in their bank accounts. So they have frozen the bank accounts until this freeze is lifted or modified. Their business will be temporarily suspended. That's what they are saying, and they are having a hearing. They were supposed to having a hearing on September 11th, which did not happen. However, it was postponed now, like it's postponed to October 30, 10 a.m. US time. In case if you want to attend the live hearing, you can do so. I'll leave the link in the description. You can attend the live hearing from there by registering yourself. So now let's look at the allegations that they have, allegations that they put on the my Forex fund. The allegations that, before moving ahead, like the allegations that they put is like most of the allegations are very, very simple. Like what I mean to say is, like, all of us know that, like, when the retail trader fails the account, prop firm makes the money. We know that it was very clear from the beginning itself. Like I myself has been telling in many videos that, like, when we fail the account, that money, that evolution fee directly goes into the prop firm's pocket. So there was no doubt in that. Anyways, they assure that in their website that your success is their success, is our business, and they only make the money when you make the money. So that was like that was not the truth. Like we all know that, like it's nothing like that. When we fail, at that time the prop firm makes the money, right? So that's one of the allegation. In allegation 1, the broker that they are using is Traders Global Group, and that Traders Global Group trade against the trader. The counterparty is the broker itself. Whenever you put the trade, if you put the buy trade of one lot, and their broker will put sell trade of one lot. So like counterparty is their broker itself, that Trader Global Group. That is one of the allegation. And the second allegation that is very important and very shocking and surprising, secretly they use some kind of software which cause the customers to order to be executed at the worst price, high spread. They manipulate the spread, they manipulate the slippage, etc., which results in failing the accounts, less success of the customer, and better profit of them, better profit of my Forex fund. So this is very important allegation. That's what I feel. And number third is company's income. It's company's income is used for personal purpose of CEO, by the CEO, for luxury, for buying a luxury items and all. So like, which is obvious, like anybody, like any CEO will buy, like when his company is making a good money, right? So this is it. These are the main allegations that is there. Like I don't want to bore you by telling about article number this, article number that, and that. So like I just want to make you understand in a simple language, because not everyone is lawyer out here. So now, like, what is my view? My view is, I don't feel like this my Forex fund is ever going to come back after all such allegation. Even if they come back, they will find a very hard time to sustain their business. Just ask a question to yourself, like, will you be able to confidently put the money on this company, especially after such allegation? Even if I look at the past examples, like Blue FX, they were having some issue with the FCA. They said they gave a notice that they are temporarily closing their business, but it was not temporarily, it was permanently. They never came back in the industry now. And the second allegation that I have told you is very, very shocking and important. Though it's just an allegation, currently it's not been proved, but the one who have whistleblown this, one who have complained about this, is none other than their own employee. Their own employee have made this statement. So you get my point. Like, maybe, like, they might be really doing something schemy inside. So is it the end of the prop firm industry? No, nothing like that. In fact, we should appreciate that authorities are working on these industries, and those who are involved in fraudulent activities are being removed. And hopefully they will bring a proper regulation in prop firm industry as well, just like they did with the broker industry, which in turn will benefit a retail trader like us. So next, what should you do? Like, what's next should you do? Should you open the account in prop firms? I would suggest diversifying your investment. Do not fully trust on one prop firm. Open an account in various prop firms and use a software like Trade Copiers to manage all those accounts. Because we never know when, like, the prop firm that you are trusting so much, the prop firm that you are trusting fully, is when it is going to fly away, since there is no regulation. As an influencer, what we can do is we can buy an account, we can pass the challenge, we can evaluate their payout process. That's all what we can do. We will never be able to know that what is happening internally. So like, even if we go and approach and ask them, like, they are not going to tell us. Like, nobody is going to know, like, unless some authorities, some whistleblowing is gonna happen. All right, traders, let's see what kind of hearing comes related to my Forex fund. Till then, stay safe, stay profitable. Jamtson FX closing the information about recent activity on my Forex fund. Thank you.